Kwa taũni ya Kitengela kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado na gũtua mũthubarĩ nĩ ikinya rĩratanywo kwarahũra ũkũria wa taũni ĩyo na matũũra marĩa mariganĩtie. Obitha nene a kanjũ ya mĩthubarĩ na aruna ao a kanjũ ya magavana nĩmagathĩrĩirie kwambatĩrio gĩkĩro gwa taũni ĩno, makiuga ikinya rĩrĩ rĩgũka na ũguni kũrĩ aikari. Gavana wa Kajiado Joseph Olelenku augĩte nĩ gũkumĩra mĩeke mĩerũ ya mawĩra nĩ ũndũ wa kũhingũka gwa taũni ĩyo.
Tukisherekea Kitengela, tumeona kazi nzuri Kajiado Municipality hapo Kajiado Central, Ngong Municipality hapo Kajiado North. Tumeona kazi nzuri imeleta kwa maendeleo ya wakazi wa sehemu hizo.
These emerging towns, these emerging municipalities, they need the management need to be based on a plan, an integrated plan. That should be the vision. That should be spearheaded by the leadership, both at the county level through the governor and also at the municipal level through the management board.
And urban areas have been left without champions who can help in, advocating for the rights of urban areas. And you will find that there is little allocation of resources that is going to the urban areas because of lack of identified entity.
So this is some of the things that perhaps investors should look for when they are looking for a place to put their money. And not to forget is that this is a Cosmo county with people from all over. It is